Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
So I ordered some things online, and whenever I order online, I always go through ShipMe. Yeah, ShipMe charges depending on the weight of your items. Yeah, and then customs charge for whatever. Now I bought an 8cg drops for $39 on GNC, and I bought some hair, skin and nails thing for $11 on GNC. Same freaking site. So everything came to $54 and something cents. That's translated in Jamaica. Let's just say it's like $5,500. Customs has charged me the same amount I paid for the item to be shipped to me. No, this is the foolishness I cannot stand, because whenever I go to customs to collect anything at all, I'm greeted by this person at the freaking doorway asking me, where the hell am I going? Am I going to FedEx or am I going to DHL? And customs is very much aware of this foolishness. Now this is why I'm very pissed. Because to collect my item, which is under $5,000, I have to be spending close to $7 grand to collect that crap. When I went to custom to collect something from a company, they had to send me the money. And I said this before, they billed me for $20-something thousand to collect the item. $20-something thousand. And when I got to the person to pay them, said that I can pay $14,000 because apparently she gave me a freaking discount. So if you're going to give me a freaking discount, why do I need to be billed at 20 grand in the first place? And that discount dropped it to 14,000. So I went to customs to pay, and I'm greeted by somebody within the customs who walk in our customs, who people know our customs. Them call him name our customs. Them know him. He gonna say to me, so why me never come to him? Come could I get it for cheaper? What kind of nasty is that? After me I work my good and earn money. Yeah? This is the first time when makeup actually lucrative for me. Yeah? This is the first time makeup I can actually buy things online because of my profits on me I make. And you're gonna tell me, say me need to pay you a percentage to get my money lowered? Customs and them dirty behavior need to stop. I'm hope to God that video you share all over the place. I'm hope to God other Jamaicans make other video. I'm hope to God on a comment and go all over the place, because them nasty behavior have to stop. A beer underhanded thing go on a customs. Them a charge you, and then when them charge us an exorbitant amount, them and them nigger, them and them cronies, them tell you to give them less, and then they go split up where you give them for whoever they will split up for run a customs. Let me tell you something. Some people get paid at customs, for them pay now do nothing. For them pay go right back in for them bank account. You know what them get paid off of? The money where you take and give them, I try to get the thing lower than that. Because customs now for charges so much. And it's a dirty, nasty behavior. So me if I take up my hard-earned money, my good up, dirty money, if I go pay nasty customs, more than what me pay for the amount. Me not cost about ship me, because ship me, I understand the ship me make my life a whole heap of difference. It make a difference in my life. It makes things lighter in my life. My argument is not with ship me. Ship me have a charge by the pound, and I completely understand that. But just come off my phone and ship me my heart heavy. My heart heavy. Because if it happened to me, it happened to other people and I say nothing about it. And you must send them one video share all over the place. Put it on dirty customs page. Them too disgusting down there. And they know exactly what I want. Yeah? The man them want to come and I say, can give me for half or whatever. Them see when I push one little letter something. Give the woman back to the customs and I say, yo, just whatever this for me now. And that them do. And I do. I take your money. Customs now for charges so much. I hear my son say, if I vex about it, make a video about it. Do something about it. I'm going to say, if I vex about it, I sit down there like, and you expect a change for me. It not going to happen. It not going to happen. I'm going to come and ship me some more. I want them say to customs, say, listen now, it really unfair for the customer them. I pay this amount for this. That's how the country can better here, because of nasty customs, dirty behavior. And them have them friend. It's businesses were out here. What have to ship from abroad, them have them friend, them out per customs. Yeah, don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. Them have them friend out here at customs. And at them same one, if them goods come to 100,000, them can give a man 40 grand and them get it same blasted way. Why? Why?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I'm going to say this very quick and fast, right? Now, as far as I can remember, you know, being a young youth and all, sometimes me hear people complain about the money them have to spend whenever they go to the customs in Jamaica to clear the goods that they are receiving from overseas, you know. And at one point me hear somebody say that the money where them pay for clear the goods is even more than what the goods value. You get what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? Now, me can't confirm some of these things that them say, you know what I mean? But at the same time, I'm just telling you what I heard. You see what I say? Yeah, because there is complaints out there. Alright? Well, those complaints over here is kind of like what this lady is doing right about now, viewers and subscribers. And she's telling us her experience, you know? You hear she talk about the money part. When me tell you, just as when me tell you something here before and all these things, is it? And you know, it seems to me like she's very upset about what had happened, you see. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you have to bear in mind that these things that are being said is now considered as allegations, and you cannot use allegations and prove it as facts, alright? There has to be evidence and probably court and all these things before you can say, well, yes, I saw it got true. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so we have to just call it allegations for now. You understand me? Yeah. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, I just presented a video to you of a female explaining herself, telling us her experience of what had happened when time she went to clear her goods at the customs in Jamaica. Alright? Now, me Dancehall Skilla, you know, somebody have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. So you can also look at that video and tell me what you think. Alright? Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Oh, no, big up on yourself. You see it?